we will start. Here, the first function add the item. They want to create that function. Okay. When we run your coding, please close the Excel file. Okay. Otherwise, it won't work. Just close it. Here, there are some note here. This. Just consider this, all prices are in QR, then inventory CS file will be given, get copy that, let me just properly format your output, which mean there is no alignment problem or there is no, Then validate user input. If in the price, for example, in the price caption, if we enter the letters, it will be give the error message.
So we have to use the accept and...
For example, there is 9 option. If you use 10 here, enter your option choice. If you use 10 here, the validation error message will become. That is they call the
try and accept.
Yeah.
Use try and accept.
This is the option is not available. Use correct option like that. That is the validate user input. Next one, whenever possible, reuse function, because in here we have to use. They already given add item, update item, delete item. These are function. They told don't use these. Don't create this function again and again. We can use this function anywhere. Okay. Don't use this. Create this function. So you reuse. Which mean you can use the above function in below coding. Don't you create for that separate function. So that's why they given the instruction and other. Okay, other one is okay. The first function is add function here. You only show the VB code, use VB code?
No, we have to run.
Only VB code, otherwise we can use another. Because ideally is better than VB code. It's very easy.
We have to use Visual Studio.
Oh, okay. Then
But I think we have just submit it and in the presentation just give an idea only without showing how
That doesn't show it on.
Yeah, because if we install the Python, it ideally is automatically come with Python. There is no like a Notepad++.
No, we have to run the program.
Okay, I'll run. Okay, here.
It's not in Visual Code, right? This is in
No.
Visual Code?
Here is the Visual Code, but here I can run. It's coming here, but you can see the
Cannot see the all.
the overall view. That's why I am.
Okay, no problem. No
Okay.
problem.
It's understanding like this. Okay, first one is here. First we can check the function, after that we can check the coding. Okay. First add function, I choose number 1. Here they are asking enter the card make. Here just check the inventory file. Here part number, part name, make, model, quantity, price. Here this is the primary code is part number. Okay, primary key is part number. Okay, they are identifying using the part number. Here I am using Benz. Another one card model. Ben here. We can use any other number and letters here because car model is another one is part number. Part number should be number, integer, not string values. Here if I type string value, here invalid, no invalid. This is called validation.
Yes.
Okay. Here I'll put the part number. Okay. Here part name.
This thing from the Excel.
It will serve. No. It's our input.
How can I know the part number?
Because they are given the list 1 to 840.
In the PDF.
Yeah, in the Excel sheet.
In the Excel sheet.
Just I give the after the
Yeah.
after number of layers.
So I will see in the Excel sheet, then I will
Yeah.
choose.
If, because if your company, you know, this is and
Yes.
you know the appropriate. I think this is not actual system. This is not
No, no, no,
actual
yeah.
system. That's why. So because they put the input number. Otherwise, part name, horns. Okay, you can use the numbers also. Not a problem. Here price. Price must be in integer value. Sorry, float
Float.
value.
Float.
Okay.
Floating.
One. If I type letters, the invalid price input.
Okay.
I am typing float one here. Enter the quantity. Quantity also must be number.
Okay.
Okay. 4. Here there is 2 options. One is yes,
Oh,
no. You can use capital Y and small y.
Okay.
Otherwise, no. Now I am. Which value I am giving? No, yes.
Otherwise, no, and you cannot
Yeah,
use lower.
save.
Lower.
It
keys.
is it's showing again the main menu.
Yeah.
First I'll use the in. Okay. Here the record is not saved.
If I enter yes, it
Yeah.
will save it in the file,
Yeah, it will save in the file. Here
Okay.
in Excel file, or
Excel file.
The CSV
Wait.
file. Mine is the CSV.
okay, got it. Can we change the yes or no and make it even if it's in lower case?
Yeah, you can.
Anywhere.
Oh, we can use the
Yeah,
both.
both,
Okay,
both.
okay, no.
Wait, I'll show you the here. It's easy to. Here, check this line. If decision is
Yeah.
capital Y or small y, data file, so file dot write on data.
Okay.
And the message is so record saved. Otherwise, capital N or small s, record not saved. Okay. If you put this line here, this write mean the data will write on the CSV file. Okay. This is the function, write function. If you read mean you can retrieve the data from the
From the file.
file. Okay. Here, if you give this function here in this space, if you type in, the data also will be saved. Okay.
Clear,
Here,
clear.
check the. There is no data.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, because you
Okay.
choose.
Oh.
Choose no.
Then
هي موجود في البي دي اف في الاكسل
أي.
درجة النهاية.
يي.
okay. Then one again. Then Y. Here data record
Okay.
saved. Sorry, record saved. Let's check it's available or not. It's saved here.
Okay.
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 Okay, here let's see the function. Here this is the function. This is the module called tabulate, because they mention here. See, where is
Actually, the modulate is new
here?
for us.
List the current inventory in a nice tabular format.
Okay.
They mention this line.
Ah,
Okay.
That's why I used module
Tabulate.
tabulate. Okay.
but we didn't take tabulate actually.
Huh?
We
In the-
didn't-
in the-
we didn't study tabulate.
Oh,
No.
but they already mentioned.
Okay.
Tabulate.
If they
Okay.
mention, no problem.
Yeah, that just mentioned here. They use the tabular format. That's why I use the tabular
So
module.
the tabular format
Yeah.
can only be used if the
Yeah.
tabulate is imported.
Yeah, because it will, the data will be in a beautiful full format.
Oh,
There
okay.
is no collapse.
Okay.
It will. Okay, I'll show
ايش
you.
معناتها tabulate؟
Huh?
ايش معناتها tabulate؟
What's the meaning of tabulate?
tabulate, what does it mean?
What does it do?
Or what
It,
does it, what's the
it
purpose
will-
from it?
Here, it will give the formatted table. Like all the rows are correctly, all the columns are correctly. It will give the
For the file
yeah,
or the code?
from
Okay.
the output.
Yeah, okay. So like this add part, update
And it
part.
will correct the output.
Correct output formatted. Like you
Okay.
know the table, there is a header
Yeah.
table. Under that there is the data.
It will
Yes.
correct it.
Yeah, it will correct it. All the
Okay.
data are under the each.
Okay.
Okay, I'll show you. Here, this is the function. They already mentioned at the part. There is we open the here. This function is open our CSV file.
Okay.
That one called open. After that, this is the print. You know the print output. Here we can take the input from user. That's why car make car model.
Okay.
Okay. Here I another one is part number. Here I put while condition for loop. While for loop part number, because if the part number is incorrect, integer. If the
Okay.
part number should be in integer. If it is string, the invalid part number
Okay.
it will be shown. Okay.
Okay.
That's why I used. That's why I used this.
This loop.
Oh, this loop.
Okay.
Okay, for validate the part number
Okay.
option. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you remove that, you can use the integer and number also in the input. But they already asked the validate the user input. That's why I put the this loop condition. Okay.
Okay.
Another one is part name. I didn't use any validation because it should
Can
be both. Another
Yeah.
one is enterprise. I use the data type float.
So it has to be a floating number.
Yeah. Then I use this condition
Okay.
because if someone's type beside the if someone type string or some any other data type, it will be show invalid price input.
Okay.
Okay. This also. I use these here. I mention. Okay. I put the command. It will be easy to understand. Validate the. Okay. Then quantity. It must be in integer data type. I use the while loop for validate the end quantity. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is the final part. Decision. Input. Save yes or no. Here your data. Data should be data. Here I get the I save the data. Use this function. Data.
Okay.
Okay. Data equal str. Str means string value.
String value.
Because we have to if you want to save the data in the CSV file, the value should be in integer. We
Yeah.
can we can save the file only using the integer string output.
Yes.
That's why I mentioned string. Here I mentioned all the field name.
Okay.
Here
Every
it will
input.
be served line
Yeah.
one by
It will-
one.
it will be
Okay,
saved.
here. Another ones here. After that, if the decision is Y, the file, the data will be write on data.
Okay.
It will be the write like this. Okay, write data. Then, if the decision is NO, I use the if else condition. Otherwise data is not saved.
Okay.
Okay, I didn't good. Otherwise, if you type anything A or B or C
Yeah.
like this, the invalid invalid input. Okay, there is 4 input: small y, capital Y,
Oh.
small n, capital N. There is 4 input for this. Okay, then this is the file close. After that, file will automatically close.
Okay.
The CSV file served. Okay, this is the function of add part.
Okay.
Okay, another one. Sorry, they called add item. Yes, I'll change that understanding.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you
Okay, add that part.
Okay, no problem. We can change it.
No, it's okay. No, I change it because there are a lot of functions.
Yeah.
Because the same function I use the different places.
yeah, okay.
This not only places. I'll change and send you. Okay, update stock level. Write a function called update item. Takes the parameter the part number. If the part to be updated. If we want to update a part, we can use the parameter part number.
Okay.
For example, if you type the part number we can identify the part using the part number.
Yeah.
If-
Only with part number.
yeah,
with
only part number. You can't type the horn. Yeah, part name. You can't type get the data from part name. You can use only part number. Okay. After that, you can the function prompts the user the enter the quantity to be updated. Quantity also should be updated. After that, check that the enough items are there. If the operation is a remove function, the price could be the price could also be updated by the function. So there are two updated. One is quantity. Other one is price. We only updated the only two data only. I'll show you. Okay, here. Number 2. Here. Enter the part number to update the stock and price. Okay. Part number 900. We also use the 900, right?
Yeah.
This
The last one you said.
yeah.
Okay.
This is the well-known data. That's why I use the 900. Okay. Here previous stock is 65. Here we already give the stock is quantity is 65. That's why I give the 65. Okay. Now you can enter the new data. I will enter 10. Okay. Enter the one. Enter the previous price is 90.3. Now I enter 20.1. Here the updated successfully.
Okay.
Now we will check
In Excel sheet.
updated or not. Here
Okay.
before that it is 65.
Yes.
We change as a 10. Here it changed as a 10.
Okay.
Okay. It's updated. Okay, it's working.
Move first.
Okay, wait, I'll check another validation. If you type 1000, there is no 1000.
No.
Okay,
Yeah.
just there is no
Part, no.
not number found
Okay.
because there is no
No.
okay. I'll change again. Okay, new stock letter. Okay, invalid quantity.
Has to be a
Okay.
number.
Has to be number.
Praise. Okay, is it okay? The validation is okay. Another one is here. Remove an item, write a function called delete item, takes the parameter part number to a removed. If you want to remove, we have to use the part number only. Okay?
Okay.
Here I used 3. Part number is same 900.
Okay.
Here, item removed successfully. Okay, we can give the any other option. If you do you want to remove? Do you confirm yes, why or not? But there is no mention that extra
yeah,
function.
okay,
That's why I
okay,
didn't
okay.
use. Okay. Otherwise, we can give the choice. Here, removed.
Okay.
Okay, other one is list the current inventory in a nice tabular format. Mandatory values should be show the nearest 2 decimal position. In the last column of this table, show the total price of each item.
Okay.
Okay, you have to add the last column total price. Wait, I'll show you.
Okay.
For display the inventory.
Okay.
Here, there are squeeze 853 lines.
Okay.
شو اسمه مرة؟
Yeah, it will
What's-
show in the code, VB code. It will show here
I
only.
mean, what does it mean, the number 4?
Huh?
Did you begin number 4 function?
Yeah, display inventory.
شو معناته display inventory؟
Can you do again?
Sorry, here. The display inventory, all the data will be shown.
Okay.
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 Here, this won't come in your VB code.
It will come in the Visual Studio Code.
It won't come. I'll
Oh.
check. Wait, I'll check. Here. 4. Here. It will automatically come.
Yeah.
So and it's like print or
Yeah,
read-
it's like a
read.
table format.
Okay.
And you read the file. It's
This is
like
the
read.
tabular function. See,
Yeah.
price name all under the
Another one.
yeah, one line.
So
Here.
this choice is does it mean that if you want to read the file or the print the file,
No, you can read the file only.
only read the file and
Yeah.
print it in the screen.
Print it in the screen.
Yeah.
All the data in the CSV there are 800 and plus records. All the records will be shown here in this nice form.
Okay.
We didn't give the total price we didn't give the header name. It's automatically taken from the data
file. Yeah.
CSV file.
Yeah.
Here the last total price,
Okay.
which mean total price not in the here there is no total
Yes.
price in your original form, but they ask to show the total price. So I give the function in the coding quantity multiplied by price.
Okay.
So it will be total price here show.
Okay.
Okay, it's the function you have to give. You have to. It will be generated automatically, not mentioned in the CSV file.
Yeah.
That's why they mention here.
So
They
they
mention-
mentioned in the question that you have to
Here.
to print.
In the last column of this table, show
So
the
the
total
total-
price of
okay,
each
okay.
amount. They already given the equation also.
Okay.
Okay. That is so sure. Okay. Another part here. Produced list of the following. Reorder list, which is the list item whose quantity field is lower than 4.
Okay.
All the items should be show which the quantity is less than 4. If the 3, 2 or only those items will only show. Okay, here I'll check. Reorder list. Okay, 5, number 5. Here there are 70. Okay, here check this quantity.
Yeah.
Here I have typed the heading. Okay,
Okay.
I'll add. I forgot. Wait, I marked this one. I'll send you the final file tomorrow.
No problem.
Tomorrow,
Okay.
because I didn't run the header.
شنو المنطقة الرابعة سوداء؟ تراوي أقل شنو؟
الأشياء اللي عددهم أقل من 4 يعني
أقل
كان
من
موجود
4.
أقل من 4
أقل من 4.
These items the quantity is lower than
lower than 4.
4. That's
Okay.
why here the checked in the quantity.
Okay.
Okay. Another.
It will show everything lower than 4.
Yeah, lower than 4. 0, even 0, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
The 4.
And
So-
also on the file, can you add comments to each function to
Yeah,
say
I'll
what
add
it
it.
does?
I'll add.
Okay.
Okay. Next one, all item whose price is greater than a value provided by the user. If you give 1000, the data should be show the
Greater than
which
greater.
items are greater than 1000. Okay. Wait. Here the function is greater than given function 6. I given 50. Here, check the price. All the price are greater than 60.
50.
50. Okay.
Okay.
Another function. All items whose price is greater than average item price. Okay. Here. Average item price, which mean there are 800 and plus item.
Yes.
Okay, the every item has every specific prices.
Yes.
You know, average mean total.
Yeah. Total.
Total over the number of records.
Yes.
Okay, it's automatically given in the function. So they didn't mention the user here, provided by the user. They mention.
Okay.
But here we have to automatically generate. Automatically like this total price.
Okay.
Like this total price.
Yeah.
Okay. Here the. These prices are greater than average price. Okay, these items are. Here the last function is stock statistics such as current value of the stock, sum of price and quantity, all the value. Okay,
Okay.
the average price the most expensive item name, the least expensive item name, least stock item is. We should show all the this given,
Yeah.
okay. But just now I checked. I didn't mention something like that least. I didn't mention, but I'll add the function and send you.
Okay.
Okay. Just now I here it is showing, but I didn't add the least number of least expensive item,
Okay.
least expensive item. I didn't add, but I'll add and send you. Okay. Here I mentioned maximum price, the minimum price.
In all of parts.
Yeah, in all of 800 records.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. The minimum stock is 1.
One.
The average price in the total price divided by record 800
Okay.
plus record. Okay, this is showing. Last one is
Exit.
okay. And here the project main page should be provided. Will be choose one of the tasks I show below. The program exists when the user select number, exit number option here. It is
Done.
over, done.
Okay.
Okay, I'll explain the coding now. I'll put the comment.
Can you explain the number 7? The average price?
Yeah, average price here. All item whose price is greater than average item price. There are specific item price in each item. Like if you 10 product or one product. Wait, I'll show word. There are 10, if the 10 item is there, if each item has each price. One item is 45 rupees, another one is 30, 12. Here, the average price, which means
All of them?
there are total price
Okay.
divided by 5.
Yes.
This is the average price.
Okay.
Here they mention you have to show the items which price is greater than average item price.
Okay.
For example,
So
here the average price is equal 12. If we take 30, okay,
Okay.
the system will show 45, number 1, number 4, number 5, because
so it will show all the items that greater than 30.
greater than 30
Which
average
is, which
price.
is the average.
Yeah,
price.
yeah.
Okay.
This is the average price. This is the real price. It will be show
Okay.
greater than 30.
So in this code, I mean in our program,
Yeah.
what's the average price? I think 1,400.
Yeah. Right. Here average price is
144.
44. Let's check.
So everything bigger than
yeah.
144,
Yeah.
it will be shown.
Yeah. More than 144 point. Here they show the price. Here all the price should be. This is the 7 option, right?
Yes.
The here.
All the average price greater
Yeah.
than 144,
Yeah.
it will be shown. Okay, clear.
Okay.
Okay.
But let's move the code part. Okay, one is another one. The second part function is
Okay.
update item. I have to add update item. Okay.
Okay.
Here I mentioned the while loop to
Okay.
check the user input.
Okay.
Validate the user input. User input must be integer. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, number.
Okay. Here again open the file to
Okay.
update. Here I created the list. I create array function here.
Yeah.
Okay. To which mean do you know the reverse function in array? Reverse function.
Reverse, it switches the place.
Swap the.
Yeah.
There are 3 arrays.
Yeah.
It will be swap.
Swap.
Swap the
Yeah.
x to y, y to x. Then one
Yeah.
is empty.
Yeah.
It will be used the update function.
Okay.
Okay. That's why I created the empty array to swap the to
Okay.
swap the updated code. Okay. I already defined stock value is 0, price is 0. Here updated value is nothing, because in the start of the program there is no updated line.
Yes.
That's why I mentioned the empty line.
Empty.
Here I use the true while loop, line equal file read line. If they end the line, so I equal the line. Here I already created the line which is ready to update. Here I mentioned the read line, which means the line should be read the line in the CSV file. There are 880 plus line, right? It will be read. If the line is not equal, if the line is empty, which means the line is empty, it is the strip value. Strip, which means it will be show the integer, because we already put the values in the string. Like we already generate. I already here I show you this. Why I mention str
Yeah.
Because,
To turn integer to
data string. Here it will, if you use strip function, it will be remove the string values.
Yeah.
It will be remove string values. That's why I use the strip. Okay.
Okay.
Here data, the array value should be begin with 0.
Yeah.
The first 0 value is part name. If the data 0 equal to part name, okay, we have to get the only 3 data. First is part number, price, quantity.
Quantity.
Price and quantity should be edited.
Okay.
Part number is parameters.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, if the first array is equal to part number, if the first data should be equal to part number, they will ask the stock. Okay.
Okay.
Stock equal to
integer,
data for. Here the data for which mean
I think quantity.
no. Here, this is the data 0
Quantity.
in array.
Yeah.
1, 2,
three,
3, 4.
four.
This is the 4.
Yeah.
So we are there is no order like one by one. So we have to get this value using the array.
Yeah.
Okay. Here this is in D4 value. This is the place D4 in array. This is the place is D4. That's why I am taking stock and price from the
From the
file.
Yeah.
Okay. Here updated line equal to 0, data 0, which means number, name, like this. It will be continue. Okay. Here file close. If the next you check this. If the updated line is nothing means is empty.
Okay.
The part number not found.
Okay.
Okay, which means there is no number like 100. This is empty.
Okay.
Because if the if data 0 means there is a value.
Yeah.
In that place there is a value. Here this which means there is no value. The part the part number not found. Continue. Here like this. The after that, so yeah, if we input the part number, after that it will be show this loop. Wait, I'll show you. Here this will be show print previous record. Here we can get the stock number.
Yeah.
Here see the stock number is here. Here the stock number, previous stock is automatically show. We didn't upload, it will be retrieve the data from the database. So I mentioned here. Here str stock input end new stock. Here the input the new updated value, then print if they accept. If it is without integer, it will be show invalid quantity. Same like this price. The previous price, we can get the data from the price str we can get the value from the database. This is the value from the database. Now we can get the new price. Okay. Here another one is, it is show the updated. It will be show updated line plus str stock and price, because stock and price only change updated. That's why we can update it here. Okay. Another one is here again the file will be open. Now again it will be read. This function, this is the important function. I'll mention this though.